you just do that, you're in some good hands, no pun intended, because it's topical. That's right. All right, so now we're going to go into some more oils. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to do the unboxing with the doTERRA LRP Loyalty Rewards Program for October. That's right, this is going to be a spooktacular experience for you as well as me. So let's get right into it. All right, here we go. doTERRA, pursue what's pure. That's right. All right, here we go. Exciting. It's like Christmas in a box every single time because I sometimes forget what I got, and then when I open it, I'm like, oh my gosh, all these things that are going to help me with my health, improve my quality of life, and amazingness. I did get a lot of free products this month, and make sure to check the description below so you can see what I got for free and what I paid for. We're going to start off with the Terrazymes, which are very, very important, lacking in the standard American diet or the SAD diet of overly processed foods. That's the hamburgers, the hot dogs, the pizza, the french fries, the sodas, the things that Americans love, but their bodies and cells don't love that long term. But anyways, enzymes help break down your food. So they break down proteins, fats, carbs, sugars, fiber, and there's 10 different enzymes in here. You can see. Boom, boom, boom. And there's also the Tummy Tamer blend. So this supports digestion and the breaking down of your food. Think about eating a whole watermelon versus cutting it up. That's kind of what it's like for your cells. Kind of a way to look at it. Very important. Very, very importante. That's right. Next one is the PB Assist Plus, right here. This is Probiotic Assistance Plus. And if you look here, they have a number of probiotics or beneficial microorganisms to support your immune system and your digestion. There's also a prebiotic, which supports the food for those. And so it's kind of like they help you, you help them. Well, doTERRA helps them by providing like a little food source with them, the prebiotic, kind of like a little lunchbox with inside the cells or inside the capsules here. And then, yeah, that will support your health as well. And I put all these basically in a little capsule holder once I get that situated with the Lifelong Vitality Pack. And the rule of thumb is for the Terrazymes, you want to take 3 if it's fully cooked meal, 2 if it's a 2/3 cooked meal, and 1 if it's 1/3 cooked. And if it's a raw meal, like a salad or a smoothie, then you don't really need one. But if you want to help break down what you ate before, then at least taking this 30 minutes before you eat will lay a bed of enzymes down so that anything that lands on top of it will be digested properly and supports your enzymes that your body produces, because your body will eventually run out of enzymes or its ability to produce enzymes properly or enough. So that's why supplementation is key. All right, so let's go into the Lifelong Vitality Pack, one of my favorite products, one of the best-selling products with doTERRA. This is the vegan version that I choose, and we're going to open up. I called it the Three Amigos because they help with so many things, and very, very important. So the first one is the Microplex VMZ. This is going to help fill in the gap from the standard American diet as well, and it's going to do so by providing you what fruits, vegetables don't have because of this industrialization of our soils and the mass production of all these foods and processed foods. The soils just don't have the nutrients that they need anymore. They're not putting them back in. They're just focusing on growth, not optimal health. And so that's even organic foods too. So keep that in mind. And then it's not just what you eat, the saying you are what you eat, but it should be you are what you absorb. And so doTERRA focuses on the absorption of the vitamins and minerals that are basically binded with other things to help your cells absorb them better. You also have a proprietary whole food blend, then you have active enzymes to help break down your food, and then the Tummy Tamer blend. So you can see the Tummy Tamer blend is a focus, and it has caraway, ginger, as well as peppermint leaf extracts. And digestion is very, very important of all this, and that's why it's mentioned a lot. So this is one of the Three Amigos. I'm going to put over here with his friends. The next one is the VE Omega. This has omegas 3, 6, and 9. It's important to have a balance between omega-3s and omega-6s. You get a lot of omega-6s from high heat treated oils, fried foods. So it's important to get omega-3s because they are essential in the sense that your body doesn't produce them. Same thing with essential oils. It just means your body doesn't produce them, but it helps your body and supports your body. And specifically, the omega-3s are going to help with brain, muscle, and joint function. And it does so in a number of ways. You can see vitamin A, D, and E here. There's some little glare, but I'm also reading it off. Then there's the Omega blend. Then the CPTG oil blend, which contains clove, frankincense, thyme, wild orange, peppermint, ginger, and German chamomile. And so doTERRA puts it in an easy capsule form here. You can get essential oils in your body, help you on a cellular level for, again, your brain, your muscles, and your joints. And this is going to be very important. There you go. Put that over here. Now, last of the three amigos that I take daily, and it's the frequency is it's 2 capsules from each one of these, morning and I'd say afternoon. You don't want to take it too close to nighttime because these can keep you up, not because they have caffeine, but because they support you on a cellular level, and your cells just like having a party in your body. That's basically what's going on. They're like, hey, who brought the non-alcoholic seltzer? That's what's going on. And specifically when you take the Alpha CRS Plus, this is for energy. This is cellular vitality complex without sugar, without caffeine. And you can see the ingredients here. You have a cellular longevity blend. So that is going to support the longevity and the life of your cells. Your cells last about 120 days in your body, specifically the red blood cells. So it's important to support them while they're alive and being replenished. You have the cellular energy blend here, and then the doTERRA tummy tamer blend. So a big focus on cellular support in all 3 of these, and I highly recommend you make sure to take these, whether it be the vegan version or the regular version, as long as you're getting some version in you. Again, even if you think you eat healthy, the standard American diet and or soil depletion of minerals and vitamins are going to be the problems, and to solve for that, it's important to do this because your body doesn't produce all the vitamins and minerals in here, and a lot of people have deficiencies and they don't even know it. So that's why it's important to keep that in mind. All right, next we're going to go with another supplement. This is what I got for free this month. This is the Digestzen soft gels. So this is going to support digestion as well. So if you get a little tummy upset, whether it's from what the food you eat or something you drank, or maybe even the time of the month, this is going to be an internal way to take these essential oils. It's anise, it's peppermint, ginger, caraway, coriander, tarragon, and fennel. And what's the benefit of having it in a soft gel or a pre-made way? It's convenient. That's the main way. And it'll take anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes to go into effect because you're taking it internally and it has to kind of go throughout your whole body. But this is going to be one way to do that. And you can just take one soft gel, just start off with that and go from there. Next we have Deep Blue. This is an amazing way to support your muscles and joints as well, but topically on your skin whenever they're feeling tight, tense, so you can move quicker and better. It's a lotion format, very easy to use. I use this on my neck almost daily just because it gets tight and tense from stress or from working out. And again, this is an amazing product, one of my favorites, one of the best selling in doTERRA as well. So yeah, if you basically have Deep Blue and the Lifelong Vitality Pack or the 3 Amigos, if you just do that, you're in some good hands, no pun intended, because it's topical. That's right. All right, so now we're going to go into some more oils. Again, I got a lot of products for free this month. Over $100 worth of free product this month, so make sure to check below so you can see which ones I got for free. That includes the product of the month. There was a 200-point special, so it was truly a great month, and I haven't even opened up everything yet. And this is more sustainable packaging, which is really cool, which I love. So I'm just going to open up everything here like this, and then I'm going to kind of present them to you in a way where I can kind of see how I'm going to use them. I'm going to put this over here. Let's just kind of open up everything. Oh yeah, I can already tell what is for free and what I got for free because I used some product credits too. So it was product of the month, which is a free product, 200-point special, which gives you 4 more free products, and then I use some product credits. So just check that out below. All right. So I got a lot of free stuff this month. I mean, look at all those oils. Okay, so I know I got that for free. I know I got that for free. What else? I believe clove is the product of the month. Let me see, I got a bunch of lemons and peppermints here. Yeah, I got a lot of lemons, peppermints. Okay, so here we go. Just kind of, because you know, I like to stock up on stuff because, well, I like to.